Agathon's younger brother. I mean, Agathon's brother.
Con.
And at the same time, he's the president of our party, MPCC. I give a special thanks also to Mr. Saleng Sangma.
Congress is gaining strength day by day. And I can assure you, my dear friend, your joining today not only will make us happy, but the people of Meghalaya, they are determined that this time every government will be out and Congress will come back to power. So thank you, and once again, I welcome each and every one of you to this.
Working with you before, and now also good to see you back again. I'm having a bit swinging mood today. One is I'm very sad, and on the other hand, I'm very happy also. Let me tell you why I'm sad is that with NCP, I have been there for many years. They had given me a platform before. I was there, I never wanted to betray. But the fact is that with NCP, I cannot serve the people. That's why I was sad. And then when I want to go forward to give some kind of a transformation to the people, I just cannot fulfill the dreams. But in the meantime, I'm so happy again that I'm having a privilege to work with one of the most humblest humblest president, Vincent Pala, who is none other than the MP of Meghalaya. I'm happy, sir, to work with you. And I'm happy and glad AICC in charge, Matthew Anthony, is there, who is also a Christian. And then I was really happy to work with J. Lindo, who was with UDP before. Now we are in the same board. And I'm happy to see even Richard also Lindo from Giant Hills. I believe all our efforts and teamwork will definitely bring some kind of changes or bring better in the future. And I would like to welcome even one of the MP's brother-in-law. He is none other than the Agatha's younger brother. Your brother-in-law, who has joined with us and who will be competing from the Congress also. And then I've got Sinbad. Along with me, we've got all my NCP Vice President. I've got NCP. We are all marching together towards this NCP tribal. Yeah. Here's from Shillong. And then I've got two, three more actually. All of them who could not come make it out today. One is in the hospital and then one is outside the country. We were supposed to march together, but out of time lapses that we could not be here today. They could not be here today. But I'm glad and happy that we will be working together to see the things that definitely will be better for the future.